just wanna look good for you, good for you. Uh-oh, I just wanna look good for you, good for you.
Want to learn how to create a 22-inch ponytail from a 16-inch full lace wig? Stay tuned. So first, of course, you want to begin with the plucking. So I think that it's a lot easier to emulate something that you see. So I googled sleek ponytails and I tried to find the best hairline that would fit best for my client's face shape.
Brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go?
As you can see, this is the ponytail that I chose, and I just think that it would work really well with her face shape with a little bit of tweaks. So you definitely want to start off with a really flat foundation. As you can see, it is braided straight back and very flat. So now I'm just cleaning off her forehead using alcohol to make sure that there isn't anything that will mess up the lace being able to stick onto her forehead with the glue. Before applying the glue, I am going to use the Got2b glue gel just to go ahead and put down the stocking cap so that it can cause a seamless blend under the lace, and it will also help protect her hair and her edges. And I'm going to blow dry using Cool. I did not burn her at all because, like I said, the blow dry was on Cool. And then I'm applying just a little bit of foundation that matches her skin tone. Now it is time to apply the wig. So of course you want to apply the glue directly on the skin and smooth it out, and then go ahead and press your lace down after blow drying it on Cool. And you want to do the same all over. I would also like to mention that every time I used the back of the comb to smooth out the glue, I cleaned it. while cutting the lace, I'm actually cutting it in a slight zigzag. You don't want to cut it straight across because you don't want that line to appear. And I will also show you other techniques that will help make it more natural and blend in more with her skin tone. So now I'm just giving her like a little bit of side edges. We didn't really want baby hair, so I'm just doing the side. And as you can see, I'm plucking it a little because I really want it to look natural and thin, and I guess not really thin, but you know, just really natural. And also I'm going through and cutting the excess lace so that it won't show. You want it to be as seamless as possible. And here is where my little secret comes in. In order to get it to blend perfectly with the skin, I add a little bit of hairspray, and it is almost like it melts the lace into the skin, as you can see. And now it is time to apply the back side. So right now I am just cutting the lace to actually fit with her head size because the actual wig was too big. And I'm also going to do a little plucking just to make sure it looks pretty natural. So the way I like to do the ponytails, that I find it easiest to do, is to put half of it up first and then the other half up second. So two separate ponytails, but one ponytail, if that makes sense.
I saw her standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes.
Now to add the 22 inches. The way we do this is first you want to braid a braid on the ponytail. And I use a little bit of braiding hair as well with this. And you especially want to use it if you're using real hair as well. And you also want to make the braid as long as you want the ponytail to be. So for instance, if you want like a 30-inch ponytail, then you really need to make sure that the braid is really long. Here I am adding like some wrapping paper on there just to, I guess, protect the hair and really to keep it covered so that when she takes the ponytail out, she won't be struggling to get glue out of her wig. And so I'm just using some cheap hair. I believe this was Milky Way, and I bought it in 14 inches. So what you're going to do is get some glue, and you're just going to wrap that hair starting at the bottom and wrap it all the way up into the top of the braid.
He had no flowers in his hands and no time to say hello. If I were in his place, I know I would have kissed her slow.
So at the very top, I'm just going to blow dry it to make sure that the glue sticks. And then you're just going to take like a small piece and wrap it around the ponytail for a natural look. All done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram at InVogueMeHair.